Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to get a free funded account 5k of Alpha Capital Pro Firm. So first of all, open your Google Chrome app and then search Alpha Pro Firm. Now go to the sign up, and there are a lot of the people are facing when they put their information, first name, last name, address, but they can't sign up. So I have a solution. Now just check this option, have an account, sign in, click this sign in. If you are new user, so whatever you are, new user or old, click on the sign up, sign in, then come here. Don't put your email or password here because you are new user. Now click this on Google. When you click on Google, you will be listening in Alpha Capital Pro Firm. Now here we will wait for the 1 or 2 minutes. Then I will tell you the procedure. When you log in, I got already get the 5k funded account of Alpha Capital, and when you log in successfully, then come and select the profile. Here is the profile, here is option profile. Then you can put your information here, then come here and then click on the verification. After verification, just you click on you will see the options of the KYC verification. Then click on that. First you have to verify your ID card, both front and back side. Then they will take you a selfie. After successfully verification of your ID card and facial verification, then you will be able to see the option of the 5k funded account here. Then just you have to click that button, that button of the 5k funded account claim. Then you will receive the credential or a password or login ID of your free funded account in your Gmail. If you are new in this channel, then subscribe this my channel. I will upload the next related forex videos. Thank you.